Our body. This is the second chapter of science textbook grade 1 and the topic for today's lesson is parts of our body. Objectives for today's lesson are to recognize different body parts, to identify the functions of various body parts. Alright children, if we discuss human body parts, our body has many parts and each part has its own name. If you observe your body starting from head, arms, legs, ears, nose, hands, so many other parts of our body. And each part has its specific function to perform. Like we move with the help of our legs and feet, we hold the things with the help of our arms and hands, we see the things with the help of our eyes, etc., etc. So each body part has a specific function, has a different function to perform. Parts of our body. Observe the given picture which has been taken from page number 10 of science textbook. At the top of body is the head and the front side of head is face, having eyes, ears, nose, mouth, teeth, and then comes neck. Moving down you can see that there are arms and fingers labeled and then legs, knees and foot. All these are different body parts of a human body. Well, as we have discussed various body parts and now we will discuss the functions of different body parts. This is a table with various body parts and their functions and it has been taken from page number 10 of science textbook grade 1. Starting from eyes. What eyes are meant for? Yes, we see with the help of our eyes. Eyes are meant for seeing. Next comes nose. We breathe and we smell with the help of our nose. Next come ears. We cannot hear anything, we cannot hear sounds without our ears, but our ears help us to hear the sounds. Next come mouth. Mouth is meant for eating, speaking, smiling, and then teeth. We chew the food with the help of our teeth. Without teeth, we cannot chew the food, we cannot eat the food well. Next are the arms. Arms help us to hold the things, to grip the things, and to apply force to something, to move the things as well. Next come hands. Hands are meant for touching and for holding things. Then legs. Legs help us to move, to walk, to run, to play, and to do jogging as well. Next is feet. Feet are meant for walking. Without feet we cannot walk. So all these body parts are very important because each body part perform a specific function. This is the time to watch a video. Don't forget to note down the main points and to relate the details with the discussion done so far. So let's start with the video.
Hi kids, I learned something really exciting today. Would you want to know? That's my head. I have two little eyes. I can see with my eyes. How many eyes? 2. I have two little ears. I can hear all the sounds with my ears. How many ears? 2. What's that smell? Oh, that's my nose. I can smell with my nose. It's my teeth. I can eat with my teeth. Oh, those are my arms. I can wave with them. Those are my hands. 2 hands.
2 hands.
Those are my fingers. 10 fingers.
10 fingers.
Those are my legs. 2 legs to walk.
2 legs.
Those are my feet. So I have a head,
A head.
2 eyes to see,
2 eyes to see.
2 ears to hear,
2 ears to hear.
1 nose to smell,
1 nose to smell.
1 mouth with teeth to eat,
1 mouth with teeth to eat.
2 arms to wave,
Arms to wave.
2 hands to shake,
2 hands to shake.
10 fingers to pick up objects,
10 fingers.
2 legs to walk,
2 legs to walk.
feet to run.
Feet to run.
Those are my body parts.
Let's do assignment number 1. This is activity 2.a given on page 11 of textbook. The instructions are: label the body parts, take help from the word bank. The words given are head, arm, hand, neck, stomach, leg, foot. You have to label the body parts correctly, and we have already discussed it. Moving towards assignment number 2, which is fill in the blanks using given words. Given words are breathe, eyes, chew, hearing, and hands. And you have to fill in the given blanks. Part A, dash help us to see. Ears help us in dash. We touch and hold with the help of our dash. Teeth help us to dash. We dash with our nose. Children, you can do it very easily because the word bank is given to you. Pick the correct word for each given space. Take your time and match your answers later on. Let's come up with the answers. Part A, eyes help us to see. Part B, ears help us in hearing. Part C, we touch and hold with the help of our hands. Part D, teeth help us to chew. Part E, we breathe with our nose. Match your answers. If these are correct, you have done a wonderful job. Moving towards the wrap-up session, which is assignment number 3 as well. And children, you need to do this assignment within the notebooks. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What part is at the top of body? Question number 2. What is the front side of head called? Think about the answers. This is very simple, not at all difficult. We have discussed all these details in the very beginning of the lesson along with the pictures. Yes, coming up with the answers. Number 1. At the top of body is the head. Answer number 2. The front side of head is called face. Match your answers. I hope these are correct. Well done. Now comes the last part of the lesson, reinforcement task, which is homework as well. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What work do you do using your hands? And question number 2. What helps you to walk and jump? Both of these questions have been discussed within the lesson, and these are taken from activity 2.c, question number 2, part A and B, given on page number 14 of science textbook. Children, I hope the task is not at all difficult and you can do it very easily and independently. Stay safe and have good times.